And then let's move forward, and I will stop these two. We will maybe tweak them later. What I will do today, and the first thing that I want to show you, is to create really analog sounding techno bleep sounds with the help of filters. And this is really interesting because they supposed to sound like a sine waveform, but you will see how much it's different, and it's amazing, to be honest, how this thing works. So maybe we just need something like drift. Nothing special needed here. We need an auto filter, and we need for this one expressive control, because here we have some sort of key tracking. I spent a lot of time figuring out how this key tracking works, and I ended up creating my own Max for Live device for this, but it's not ready yet, so I won't use it today, but hopefully I will use it on the next stream. So right now I will turn this remote on, make this from 0 to 100%, and then I will map it to my filter frequency. And now, depending on what note I play, our filter position goes to, let's say, if I play third octave A, it should be 440, but it's now 444, which is okay. And if I go an octave higher, it goes something like this. It doesn't work really like it should supposed to be, but in terms of creating these techno bleeps, it's pretty much enough. So what we need here, we need a bandpass filter, and we need to change these filter modes. So the thing is, if I go to this DFM, MS2 and PRD filter mode, when I turn off the resonance all the way high, it won't stop. I need to turn down the resonance a bit to make it stopping. And look, even if I make this envelope of this sound to make this nothing sound, it's just simply a click, it's just a trigger, and turn off this auto filter with the resonance all the way high, it still makes this sound. Let's make it slightly lower. Okay, let's turn off the resonance, not to get bored of it, I would say. And then let's bring in an arpeggiator. I will put it here in the beginning. I will go to the play order. I think we need 16th note. Perfect. And I will just quickly draw a chord here. Simple E major chord. Nothing really special. We can tweak it later. So let's just play it now. Now we hear the sound of resonance playing the arpeggio, but if I go all the way high, okay, you will ask me now how you control the sounds to be shorter or longer, and it's super easy. We have this Max for Live device, which is called, the modulator device, which is called MIDI envelope. It should be somewhere here. Here we go. Here is it. I think we need it after Arpeggiator. So now it will trigger for us some sort of envelope every time it gets a note in input. So I will map this from 100 to 0 on the remote mode to this output. I think I did it wrong. No way. Go like this. Ah, the resonance. It should be like this. You see? Now we have the control. And then we can crank up some drive or tweak our chord from here to be something different, and I want this note to play the third one and this second, so I will slightly adjust this to be like this, and now it's there. And if I want to put this sequence an octave down, I will just grab the pitch device, which is again a MIDI effect. I need it in the very beginning, and that's it. Now I have some sort of crazy techno bleeps. And you may ask, how different is it from like sine waves? Let's check it out. So I just deactivate this filter, come here and put the sine, and let's just hear what the first one sounds like all by itself. Let's just tweak this. It sounds different. You can obviously hear it. No matter how I much tweak it, put this drift on, nothing really make it to come close to this thing here. So let me just make it to be clickish. completely different results. And here, what I can do to make it even more interesting, I can adjust an envelope on this frequency position from here. And we don't need stereo for now. Quicker. I just need it super slight. I think I need this again an octave lower. And we can even group this, duplicate. I will mute it for now. I will group the expression control as well, duplicate it as well. I will mute this expression control so it only works if it's connected, but if I, let's say, duplicate another instance of pitch here, okay, now you should come to your place and it's there. And let's say I want to make this an octave higher and then map this to this one. Now this needs an envelope treatment as well, so I will come here, make another one, map it, up. So we have two layers, but I will make this again and with another octave higher as well. Perfect. What else I can do, you may ask? I can tweak this key tracking's rise and fall. A bit. Okay, only the higher one. Let's add a note here. Maybe this one. No way. I think we need another note. No, 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 no. This is much better. And we can have so much fun while tweaking this. And to have something more interesting stuff, I will just simply fold this and I will just draw my notes here to make it a bit more minimal. Perfect. Maybe like this. Great, great. Wow, we are so low in BPM. Let's go higher. I hope it's not too bad now. Let's name this Techno Bleeps. I would better grab a grain delay. I think I just need a timing mod here. Perfect. Let's drive it. And I need a different reverb for sure. Much better. And let's move forward. I want to show you another way of making interesting techno bleeps, but this time we will make it atonal basically. And what we need from here, again, something like drift, nothing really serious. I don't even bother what it sounds like. We just need these clicks and then out of it. Again, it's the same trick. We need bandpass on, let's say, MS2 mod. By the way, MS2 is the cleanest one. So if I go from DFM and PRD and use some sort of noise from coming and like this, let's say, it will make some sort of noise if I keep on the note playing. You see, we hear the noise, but if I change the algorithm, the noise is coming much more. You see, this is the cleanest one. Perfect. And what I do here is now resonance 100%, and I slightly add the LFO. I will go to the 16th note and I will turn on the steps. And here we go. Now I needed to make the phase to be stereo, so left and right channels act differently. Aha, I touched the resonance again. And the fun fact here is that if I start to mess with these rates from here and there, I will get really interesting results, which are super great. Let me just quickly record a few stuff, and I will do this. I could do easily by making the resampling and all the stuff, but as I have this rolling sampler, I will use it from here, and it's super helpful. So let's just find some things that I like. Perfect, I love this one. Let's grab it to here. Let's tweak it again. You see, it even can be less stereo, or just tweaked like this. I like this one a lot. It's somewhere here. And that would be polyrhythmic if I turn on the clock now. You see, there is some sort of out of the clock, but also they are like acting polyrhythmically now. So let's tweak further. Maybe. I like it. And yeah, I've already recorded a bunch of those, so we might release a free sample pack based on these bleeps. So follow our Discord if you want to get freebies like these. No, 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 no. I like this one. A few more. Yeah, we need this one. I love it. So we can crank up the drive here and try other modes. I quite like this one as well. You see, it's endless inspiration coming from this technique. I really love it. This would be perfectly aligned, but maybe... Not bad. Okay, here we go. And yep, I don't need this anymore. I can simply delete, and let's pick up a few ones from here, fitting our track. And we should put the right BPM here, so it's... Okay, I will try to edit this one to fit in the vibe we need. Let's maybe do like this, 16th. And we can keep it like this, actually. No, I think it's from here. Quantize it. I will name those Techno Bleeps